English and Kinyarwanda. Lesson 5. Icyongereza n'Ikinyarwanda. Isomo rya gatanu. Today we are going to see the necessary questions likely to be used in English. Tugiye kureba ibibazo by'ingenzi bikunze gukoreshwa mu Cyongereza. Let's start our course. Reka dutangire isomo ryacu. What happened? Byagenze bite? Is it true? Ni ukuri? What do you like? Ukunda iki? Are you a student? Uri umunyeshuri? Which subject do you like? Ni irihe somo ukunda? Sorry. What happened to you? Ihangane. Ni iki cyakubayeho? Have you all parents? Ufite ababyeyi bombi? What name of your father? Izina rya papa wawe ni irihe? Have ever your father be a soldier? Papa wawe yigeze aba umusirikare? What about your mom? Bite bya mama wawe? Are you a firstborn in your family? Uri imfura mu muryango wawe? How many children do you have in your family? Ufite abana bangahe mu muryango wawe? How are you? Amakuru yawe? Are you married? Warashatse? How old are you? Ufite imyaka ingahe? Have you listened to me? Wanyumvise? What is your name? Witwa nde? What's the name of that boy? Uwo muhungu yitwa nde? Who owns this bag? Ninde nyiri iki gikapu? Who is your girlfriend? Ninde mukunzi wawe? Can you join to me? Urashobora kwifatanya nanjye? Is this the first time you have seen me? Ni ubwa mbere umbonye? Thank you. Will you come to visit me? Murakoze. Uzagaruka kusura? See you next lesson 6. Dusubire mu isomo rya gatandatu. Take you to listen to me. My name is Jean-Pierre. See you